Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 7.1. Check whether 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So first let's note down the 3 points. This is 5, minus 2. The second point was 6, 4 and the third point was 7, minus 2. So I'm going to name these points as A, B and C for a reference. We know that in isosceles triangle, any two sides will be equal. So if I'm going to plot these points as a triangle ABC, I don't know which of these any two sides are going to be equal. So we will find out all the three distances AB, AC and BC. If any of these pair is going to be equal, we can declare that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So let's first write down the distance formula for use. So distance is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Now let's calculate the distance EAB. So in this case, I'm going to treat the vertices of A as x1, y1. So 5 minus of 6, that is because this is going to be the second vertex. So 5 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 the whole square. So this is 5 minus 6 is minus 1. The whole square is plus 1. So plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. The whole square is 36. So this is root 37. Now let's compute the distance BC. So BC is equal to square root of, now 6 minus 7, because this is going to be treated as the x1 and x2s for the x1 and x2 in the formulas. So 6 minus 7 the whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 the whole square. So this is square root of 6 minus 7 is minus 1, the whole square is 1, plus 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 the whole square is 36. So this is root 37. Now let's compute the last one too, mainly because we already got what we are looking at, but you should not get AC is also root 37. Why? Because otherwise the triangle will become equilateral. So don't hesitate to find the third side's distance too. So AC is going to be square root of A minus C in this terms of coordinates. So it is 5 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 the whole square. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. The whole square is 4 plus 0. So square root of 4 is 2. So we got exactly two sides of the triangles to be equal. AB is equal to BC. Therefore, we can declare that ABC is an isosceles triangle. See, please note, we have to check all the distances just to be sure that it is not an equilateral triangle. So, although in the first two direct attempts we got the sides equal, don't hesitate to calculate the third one too. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 7.1.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.